Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM Tip of the day. So today I want to show you guys how to add a new material into your iData base using the MatWeb, the Ultimate Tensile PSI. So first thing we'll want to do is click the Edit iMachine Database. Now just make sure you're on the Material tab right here, and we'll hit the new piece of paper. And let's do a 303 stainless steel. Kind of an oddball one. Save. Now it's looking for the Ultimate Tensile PSI. So what I'm going to do is open up my internet and go to matweb.com, and then I can just come in here and type in 303 stainless steel, hit search, and I'm going to use the annealed, and I'm looking for the Tensile Strength Ultimate. So you'll see right here. Now if you guys are using metric, you can use the metric number, but since we're in English, so we're at 89,900, so we can just come back over here, type in 89,900, save and exit. And now when we go to our drop-down list, we will see our 303 stainless steel. So that's a quick little tip and trick how to add material in there. If you guys are using the iData base quite a bit, I would highly suggest using the numbers from MatWeb. They'll be more accurate than kind of the general function or the general materials that are in there. So they'll be more fine-tuned for that material. So just want to show you guys that tip of the day, and we will talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks guys. Have a great day.